Hello! In this tutorial we are going to do small butterfly like this. This butterfly you can use for many projects, for shoes or clothes or some other things. You can use any yarn you like and recommended hook for those yarn. And for my butterfly I used cotton yarn 125 meters in 50 grams and 3 millimeters hook. We will start with magic ring. Take the yarn with these 3 fingers, yarn over point finger, keep tension with this small finger, insert hook like this, grab the yarn and pull through. Then do chain 1 and magic ring is done. Next we do is 10 single crochets into ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pull this tail to make it tight. Then go into first single crochet and do slip stitch to close the round. We start second round by making chain 3, yarn over, go into next 3 single crochet, into this single crochet we did slip stitch, but we are going into next. Grab the yarn, pull through to go the same height as this chain 3, keep tension with this finger, yarn over, go into the same stitch, grab the yarn and pull through. Keep tension with this finger, yarn over, go into same stitch and pull through third time. This is 4th, 5th, and 6th. Grab the yarn and pull through all loops on the hook. Then do chain 1, make it tight, and then 3 more chains. Go into this place. And here do slip stitch. Then do chain 3 and go into first round into next 3 single crochet. And here do slip stitch. We made first wing. Then we repeat this on the second wing. Chain 3, yarn over, go into next 3 single crochet, grab the yarn, pull through to go the same height as chain 3, yarn over, pull through second time, third, 4th, 5th, and 6th. Grab the yarn and pull through all loops on the hook. Then do chain 1, make it tight, and then 3 more chains. Then slip stitch into this place. and chain 3, and then slip stitch into next 3 single crochet. Next we do is antennas. Do chain 5, then we go back, skip first chain, go into second and do slip stitch. Into next chain do slip stitch. This is third slip stitch, fourth slip stitch, and fifth slip stitch we do into next 3 single crochet in round 1. It looks like this. Then do chain 5 again. Skip first chain, go into second and do slip stitch. Then do second slip stitch, third, fourth and fifth slip stitch do into next 3 single crochet in round 1. Next we do is chain 3, and here we start third wing. Yarn over, go into next 3 single crochet, pull through once, two, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then pull through all loops on the hook, do chain 1, make it tight, and then do chain 3, slip stitch into this place, then chain 3, and then slip stitch into next 3 single crochet. And we are going to do last wing. Do chain 3, yarn over, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then pull through all loops, do chain 1, then chain 3, slip stitch and chain 3. Then go down into first round. Here we have one more free stitch, it is slip stitch, and on this slip stitch we do one more slip stitch. Then chain 1, make it tight, and you can cut the yarn. This tail from magic ring, make tight. And then these tails put into the stitches. Butterfly is done. Thank you very much for watching, and big greeting to all my subscribers. New tutorial will be soon. Bye bye!